In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a drawing comment in Croc.io. This is very easy to do. Go ahead and find a project and the video that you want to, let's say, leave that drawing comment, click on it. And while reviewing the video, you will see a section. Once you click and leave comment in the lower right, it's going to appear and it's going to give you this comment section. If you look to the lower right, you'll find draw. You click on that and it'll allow you to make a drawing comment. So let's say, for example, I want to say, turn on this notification right here. Or let's say I want to say to the person to favorite this project. I can draw a little arrow right here and I can just now add the comment here and say add to favorites, for example, as an example, right? And so that's it. And you can now click and send and leave the comment, right? Once you do that, you can also know, you can change the status to say needed changes or whatever reviewing or whatever. You can choose it from here. And so once you do that, that's it. You can click and share if you want to share to a specific person, or you will be able to add it, or you'll be able to just leave it as everyone. In this case, it's going to say everyone, but if you want to click and share, you click and share, and we can choose, for example, to create a link for you and share it with a person, or you can just basically inform the person that this needs reviewing and they will be able to see it, right? And that's pretty much it, guys, for easy and very simple.